White vinegar laundry hacks. Most people aren't sure when it comes to green cleaners, especially when you talk about how best to use them. While you may already know how to make use of white vinegar and baking soda for drains, they could also work well when you want to get rid of some tough stains. One question most people ask about using vinegar for washing clothes is which vinegar is best for laundry. When it comes down to using vinegar at home for cleaning and disinfecting, you want to opt for white vinegar. Even though it bears the name white vinegar, it does appear colorless, which means that it won't add stains to clothing when included in a wash. The same thing applies to when you use it for cleaning around the house. In this video, we will look at some of the reasons why you want to consider using white vinegar for laundry. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with our latest content. Best ways to use vinegar in doing the laundry. Number 1. Great on stains. When it comes to washing some really dirty clothes, you will benefit from having the right washing solution. And while it may be a good idea to pour some detergent into the washing machine, you want to consider adding some white vinegar also. While you need the detergent to act as a surfactant for removing stains, vinegar can help make the stain removal process easy. There is also how you can use white vinegar in a blotting action to treat stains first before washing. Pour some drops on the stained area and allow it to soak for a few minutes before blotting it with a paper towel. After, wash the fabric with detergent and rinse. Number 2. White vinegar helps soften the fabric. When it comes to the best natural fabric softener, you want to think of white vinegar. Add a cup to the washing machine to help soften the fabric as you wash. The best part is while the detergent gets to work on the stains, the vinegar helps to soften the fabric so it is easy for the stains to get out at the end of the wash. You can add half a cup of vinegar to both the wash and rinse cycles when you use the washing machine. Number 3. Add white vinegar to brighten laundry. In addition to helping with stain removal, you can also expect that adding vinegar to the laundry will add some brightness to the clothes when they get dried. So if you need a safer alternative to bleach for washing white clothes, you can make do with a cup of white vinegar for washing clothes. Number 4. Remove odors on fabric. Vinegar is also effective when it comes to neutralizing odors at home. In the case of laundry, it could work for when you want to remove underarm pit odors and freshen up clothes after washing. Vinegar acts vigorously with the bacteria that causes the odor, leaving you with a fresh-smelling laundry when it is finished. Add half a cup of vinegar to the wash water and another to the rinse water. Number 5. Reduce color fades. Using harsh detergent to wash clothes no doubt can lead to color fades. While you want to try and turn the clothes inside out to prevent color fades due to friction, you can also choose to make use of cold water in the wash. But if you want to reduce the chances of color fades, you want to add color protection in the wash. You can reduce color fades with 1/2 cup of vinegar in the wash and rinse water. You will need to ensure that you sort the laundry accordingly just so you don't have to worry about any color bleeds. So you want to make sure to wash the blue jeans separately from the black denim. And also the white sheets and linens should be separated from the towels and blankets when doing the laundry. Number 6. Reduce dependence on soaps and detergents. If there is one thing we are passionate about at My Germ-Free Home, it's sustainability. And we love the fact that green cleaners like white vinegar help reduce the dependence on chemical soaps and detergents. Aside from the fact that it is cost-effective, you also get to benefit from a renewable resource that is biodegradable and non-toxic. While it can be used for a wide range of household responsibilities, it could be your trusted green cleaner for removing stains from laundry and surfaces around the home. There you have it, 6 of the best ways to include white vinegar in doing the laundry. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can learn all the latest cleaning tips and tricks.